Recently who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI? Answer is Pramod Rao. Where will the World Athletics Championships 2025 be organized? Answer is Tokyo, Japan. India's first all-powered digital lock Adalan was launched in which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Who has won the men's singles title in the Super 500 of the badminton tournament Singapore Open 2022? Answer is Panthini Siniska Ginting. Which country has won the FIH Women's Hockey World Cup? Answer is Netherlands. Recently which state has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the Northeast Space Applications Center? Answer is Tripura. Where has the Indo-Tibetan Border Police set up its first mountain fighting training center in northeast India? Answer is Domba. Recently who has become the new MD and CEO of the National Stock Exchange? Answer is Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Who has won gold medal in Asian youth and junior weight